Step 1. Remove the liquid propane cylinder and grease tray. Step 2. Remove the battery cap and battery. Retain your battery for reuse. Step 3. Remove the electronic ignition module wiring. Pull all 3 wires from the electronic ignition module. Do not remove the electrode wire from the electrode. Step 4. Remove the electronic ignition module by removing the nut. Pull the module from the unit. Discard the electronic ignition module, nut, and battery cap. Step 5. Install the electronic ignition module bracket. To assemble the bracket, insert the tab of the rear bracket half into the slot of the front bracket half. Install the new electronic ignition module bracket to the front right leg of the grill. The bracket should be installed as low as possible on the grill leg. Secure the electronic ignition module bracket assembly by inserting the carriage bolt through the bracket assembly and installing the wing nut. Tighten the wing nut by hand. Step 6. Install the new electronic ignition module. Remove the battery cap and nut from the electronic ignition module and place the electronic ignition module into the mounting bracket as shown. Install the nut and tighten by hand. Step 7. Attach the loose end of the electrode wire to the electronic ignition module as shown. The wire connector will fit either connection on the electronic ignition module. Step 8. Install the ground wire to the electronic ignition module. Attach the push-on connector end of the ground wire, supplied in this kit, to the electronic ignition module as shown. Step 9. Install the ground wire to the rear right leg screw. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the leg mounting screw from the right rear leg bracket. Place the ground wire ring connector over the screw. Reinstall the screw with the ring connector attached in the same location from which it was removed. Step 10. Insert the battery into the electronic ignition module with the negative end first, as shown, and reinstall the battery cap. Step 11. Verify proper operation. Press the electronic ignition button on the battery cap to verify a rapid spark. Step number 12. Apply the new lighting instruction labels. Apply the new lighting instruction labels supplied in this repair kit to each side of the tag on the regulator. Step 13. Cut ignition wires at the switch. Working under the control panel, identify the red and black wires that exit the old ignition switch. Using a pair of scissors, cut the red and black wires as close as possible to the old ignition switch. Remove and discard the loose red and black wires from the grill. The switch will remain in the grill. Step 14. Reinstall the liquid propane cylinder and grease tray.